So what I have with me today is the Gonex aluminum foldable portable roll top camping table. So with this camping table, you get this bag, this handy zippered bag. You get a product manual, instructions on how to put it together and disassemble it. You get two stabilization legs for the tabletop itself. You get the tabletop itself labeled with the Gonex logo on it and a little handy strap right here. Table support itself. Something that really needs to be addressed here is how compact this really is. This is really impressive, folks. And you also get a handy storage bag that clips to the legs underneath the table itself. So let's talk about getting this put together here. The legs snap in to these little handy indentations to keep it compact. They're held together with bungee cords. Boom. And the table comes apart and expands. You take the table supports and they're also marked outside and inside. So you know which way to put the supports for the table. So inside and inside, facing me, outside and outside, boom. It has a plastic top, ASMR here. Oh, yeah. I never got into that either. I don't understand it, but for those of you who are into it, good for you. All you really have to do is line up these indentations with the table supports here and slide it in. It snaps and you unfold and you pull and you connect the table to the other side, and there you go. You have a portable table that is built for your camping needs. So let's put this table over by my tent and we'll see how it functions. So, looking at this table right now, it's very sturdy. It doesn't wobble. It's more of a boxed type of setup here. You can see that it's got the supports to it. So one of the best things about this table is its grab and go portability. I can have it in front of me here. I can take this and move it over here. I can get out my little army cup. Get myself a cup of water here. Easy to clean. Water beads right off because of the durable aluminum tabletop. Just a little damp cloth and you're good to go. So I'm going to be testing this table out more during my overnight stay here, but I can tell you already, this is going to be one of the main tables I take with me when I go car camping with my wife or another solo adventure where I'm not needing a whole lot of weight minimization. This is not the lightest table in the world, but then again, it doesn't need to be. Its form fits its function, so there are two versions of this table here. The one that I have, which is the aluminum roll top foldable table, made of the weatherproof aluminum. This is $49.99. And there's also a polyester fabric one that is $39.99. It's a lot lighter. For the fabric one, my opinion, you get more with the aluminum camping top itself. Comes in at 5 pounds. So it's not exactly the lightest out there, but it will hold up to 110 pounds. So it is sturdy enough for you to put what you need on here and be secure in knowing it's not going to collapse. So if you have any questions about this Gonex aluminum folding portable camping table, please leave me a comment right down there. If you like this review, like it, subscribe. There's going to be plenty more coming. Once again, I'm Brian. Thanks for watching News Guy Camping. And like I always say, stay off the news. Goodbye for now.